To auto-refresh in Google Chrome, you can install a free extension from the Chrome Web Store. Many people want to auto-refresh websites or tabs for various reasons, such as waiting for information or playing games. To get started, open the Chrome Web Store by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then select More Tools and click on Extensions. This will show you all the extensions you currently have installed, and you can also remove or uninstall them from here. Next, click on the three horizontal bars in the top left corner and select Open Chrome Web Store from the bottom of the menu. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, search for Auto Refresh and select the Easy Auto Refresh extension. This is a featured extension, so click on it and then select Add to Chrome. You'll be shown the access that the extension has within the Google Chrome browser. So review this and select Add Extension when you're ready. After the extension is added, you might see it in the extension bar. But if not, click on the puzzle piece icon and you'll see Auto Refresh. You can pin it to the toolbar by clicking on the little pin button next to it. To start using the extension, click on the icon and set a refresh time interval. For example, you can set it to refresh every 2 seconds. Once you've set the interval, click Start, and the page will be refreshed at the specified interval. To stop the auto refresh, simply click on the icon again and select Stop. This extension provides a simple way to auto refresh pages or tabs in Google Chrome, and you can easily customize the refresh interval to suit your needs.